Ears straight, hands straight, straight up. Hand center, center. Come on. Both of you here center. Very good. Both of you here. Yeah, center, center. No, straight, center. Yeah, man, both of you. Arpita, Arpita, very good. I'm straight here, up, straight.
Mehta presents #Island Life and Lucky Fashion Week Summer Resort 2017. And of course we have Arpita Mehta and the gorgeous Karishma Kapoor. Arpita, would you like to speak about your collection? Why?
My collection is titled Island Life. It's my first ever Instagram show for Fashion Week. So because it's a summer resort season, so I thought of doing a luxury line, which is something that you could wear for a cruise holiday or a tropical holiday. And as you can see, crochet is like a very important part of this collection. And that's why I've had the lovely Karishma Kapoor wear something so beautiful. And because luxury is a very important part of this line, and Karishma herself is all about luxury and style and fashion, I thought she'd be the most apt person to have on board with this.
Thank you. Karishma, would you like to speak?
Well, it's always a pleasure to work for Arpita. I've worked for her earlier also. I think actually she can work for herself because she's such a stunning, pretty girl and such a talented designer. It's always a pleasure, you know, her clothes always have a particular element standing out with each collection. So that's quite special, and today of course is the first Instagram show, which was very different and interesting for us to shoot. So I think we had a great time, and I think the outfit is really stunning and very pretty. And all of us will want one of these outfits for the summer, for our holidays, to go to some lovely island. So it's been wonderful, and we've had a beautiful time. And I hope Arpita gives me one of her lovely outfits.
Always, anytime. Wearing this ivory crochet embellished jacket with fringes. She's wearing a crop top and high-waisted palazzo pants. So the idea is to keep it really modern and fusion. So you could wear it at, like I mentioned, like a luxury destination, and you could wear it for like a proper event. It's not just a day dress. You could wear it at night. You can wear it at day. You can glam it up. If you want to keep it easy, remove the jacket. You want to dress it up, put it on, and you just sort it. It's like a multi-functional outfit. So I've kept this collection really clean. I've kept it very boho chic. So the element of fringes is something that's running all throughout the collection. And apart from that, as I mentioned, the crochet trimmings, the fabric, embossed tulle is something which is very prominent. I've done slip skirts, I've done crochet shorts, like a jacket. It's a very fun and a like easy to wear collection.
How about you, Karishma? What do you have to say about the collection? Overall, this is the outfit that you're sporting, but any particular,
Well, I think the collection has a lot of whites and creams, very summery, very pretty. And I think you'll all know I love black and white. So I think I really took to the collection. It's very summery, very feminine, very pretty. So I really like what I'm wearing too because it's very easy breezy.
hot prints by Ekam by Arman Ramkwa, Rara Avis by Sonal Varma. Of course, we have the gorgeous Urvashi Ratela. And we have another Urvashi, Janeja, who's the designer. Yeah. Sorry, Ekam by Arman and Manish. He's not here. Oh, he's here. So, yeah. Arman, would you like to say a few words about your collection?
First of all, thank you so much for the Lakme team and the Lakme to give us a great opportunity. Second, it's our forte is all about the Indian embroidery on a minimal silhouette. Example, this collection is inspired from all the birds and embroideries and spring color and the pastel colors on minimal silhouettes. So definitely, I hope you guys love it.
As Arman has told you, it's all about going into the wild and exploring the wild, the beauty of the wild, the birds and flowers and everything. So the whole collection consists of those motifs and that beauty.
Hi everyone, my brand is Rara Avis and we concentrated on international trends of stripes and cruise feel for the summer spring resort. So all the techniques and the fabrics that we use are very Indian, but the appeal is very international. And I think it just takes you back on a vacation to maybe the south of France or very European feel to the whole color block, color story. And so are the accessories, very in tune with the leather, the colors and textures that we create with that. And I'd love for Urvashi to say something on that.
Well, good afternoon to all members of media. It's always a pleasure to be here back at the Lakme Fashion Week all the time. I'm wearing this very beautiful collection by Sonal Varma, Rara Avis. The collection gives us a very fresh breath of air. It's very breezy, very summery. It is something which is a desire for every young girl's desire. It also gives us a thought of a more clean vacation. And I completely feel like that I'm off to south of France, and the colors and the fabric used in the outfit and the entire collection is very clever. I love the pipings, I love the embroidery. I feel completely international. And it's made of all the Indian materials, so I think it's a fabulous collection. Thank you so much.
Hello everybody. First of all, I want to thank Lakme for giving us a platform. And about this collection, it's a summer resort collection called Boundary. And for this, we've actually taken inspiration from the slinky installations of Tara Damlan. She's an artist who works a lot with hardware and metal. And slinkies is something that we all played with as a child. And to convert that into prints and textures, and also we sourced a lot of hardware and a lot of non-conventional materials and did a lot of traditional techniques with it. So yeah, just all in all, had a lot of fun with the collection and the colors.
We'll open the floor for some questions. Does anyone have any questions? Okay, we got photo by? Sorry, a photo op.
Thank you. What is that? Portrait. By whom? Okay, by you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Can you just put that down? Thank you. Give me 1 second.
conference for Amit GT by Amit Gupta, and of course we have the gorgeous Daisy Shah. And we have Outhouse, who's Sasha and Kavya Grewal, and they're beautiful models. Congratulations on a fantastic show, guys. Either of you could please just tell us about your collection, your inspiration, Lucky Fashion Week.
Shall we go first? All right. Well, the collection was inspired by the royal, modern royal families, how they dress up, and I got inspired by. I dress up a lot of royal family, members, and I got inspired by their lifestyle, and I made the collection. As I have been making this kind of collection for quite some time now, especially for Middle East royal families and in Europe as well. Whenever they go out for a ball or something, or different sort of appearances, red carpet appearances, they like to wear such kind of gowns here. And also in India, the same culture has come to India. Now all Bollywood actresses have started wearing such kind of gowns. A lot of clients in India have started wearing such kind of gowns now. And but the inspiration came from how the royals wear ball gowns and all. And I got also inspired by the floral motifs and the butterflies, as if the princess is going to an ethereal garden where lots of blooms are there, the butterflies, and there are lots of other things. So it's very there are a lot of techniques that have been used, like a lot of couture techniques have been used in making the collection, like scrunching techniques, draping techniques, making handcrafted flowers and butterflies, all these things. So it took a lot of time to make this collection.
Well, as Amit just said that there's 200 and 300 hours of work going on one particular piece, and he just told me that this outfit has taken 300 hours, so it is a really lot of time to make an outfit, and it does make me look and make me feel like a princess. I actually feel like I've just walked out of a fantasy film. So yeah, because it's got feathers, it's got, and I also feel somewhere like there's no term called a girly goth, but that's what I feel right now.
and everyone can relate to it, Everyone can relate to it now in India, actually, Everyone wants to look like a princess any day, Especially when it's their wedding, they want to look like they're a princess, So I've made the gowns, keeping in mind Indian girls who want to look like princesses.
And they do make them look like princesses.
Thank you. We'll open up the for questions. Does anyone have any questions?
Sorry, you're not allowed. I would wear it to a reception. I would wear it to one of the red carpets. I would. I can wear it. In fact, it's very. Of course, yes. That's what I said. Red carpet. So it is very conventional. I can wear it to a wedding. I can wear it to my official events. So it's not. It doesn't particularly say that okay, this is something you only have to wear to a wedding, and this is something you only have to wear to an event. It is not tagged that way. You can wear it wherever you want to wear it, and it makes you feel pretty. It makes you feel princessy. It makes you feel ladylike.
Can I get that mic?
Just give this mic to them. So
You can use these.
Okay, sure.
So आपने कहा ये रॉयल टच है और बहुत ही ब्रिशियस भी देखने में लग रहा है, तो आपने कारीगर कहाँ से इसको बनाते हैं, कहाँ से आते हैं?
कारीगर तो यहाँ के ही हैं, लेकिन उनको ट्रेनिंग का स्पेशल दी गई है. एक्चुअली मैंने जब इटली में स्टडी करी थी वो कुट्योर टेक्निक वगैरह और क्राफ्ट्समैनशिप जो कुट्योर वो लोग जो पेरिस और मिलान में करते हैं, तो वही मैंने इंडिया में मैंने ट्रेनिंग दी आर्टिसंस को यहाँ पे कि कैसे वैसी टेक्निक्स यूज़ करी जाए. और इंडियन टेक्निक्स तो स्पेशल है ही वैसे भी, तो दोनों का फ्यूज़न भी यूज़ हुआ है इस कलेक्शन में, तो वो एक स्पेशल बनाता है कलेक्शन. हाँ, राजस्थान के हैं, बहुत से बनारस के हैं और कुछ बंगाल के हैं, और इनको अलग से स्पेशल ट्रेनिंग दी गई है. मैंने एक्चुअली कलेक्शन जब मैंने अपना स्टार्ट किया था अपना करियर, तो मैंने डॉल्चे गबाना और वो नीना रिची और इन सब जो बड़े फैशन हाउसेस हैं उनके साथ काम करके स्टार्ट किया था. तो I learned a lot of international.
Like I said, like the whole collection is on a swallowtail butterfly. If you see the exhibit closely, the whole craftsmanship, like it's taken hours and hours of work to put the concept and the craftsmanship together, and it'll resonate in the installation also. But here we got a lot of innovative pieces, like you see these rings, and a lot of Brock Swarovski has been used. Again, it is also typical. I'll just come back to you.
Okay.
Is it okay?
No, it's okay.
Was it difficult outsourcing these accessories?
No, these are not outsourced. They are jewelry.
How was it working on the ramp?
It was really exciting. I loved walking the ramp, and yeah, it's just like, I mean, if you're wearing a beautiful outfit, you just feel beautiful on the inside. So you just walk the ramp. It's more like showing off your beautiful dress.
So dancing comes more natural to you, or walking on the ramp?
Dancing for it, sure, but then if you have dancing also makes your body in sync, which also helps in walking. So it goes hand in hand, I would say.
हमें 12.5 दिन लग जाते हैं आपको एक ड्रेस तैयार करने में?
Yes, उससे ज़्यादा actually, like it's calculated like 8 hours people work, so they have been working 16 hours daily. So you can say it took a lot of time to make every outfit. It took months to actually make one outfit. It was difficult. You must be knowing all the couture outfits take a lot of time to make, because there's a lot of handwork that's required in it. Not just what you can see from outside, but internal construction also takes a lot of time. क्योंकि वो सब हर चीज़ हाथ से होती है. Tanzanite is a stone actually. They must be knowing very well. So that's the color of it. And so I got inspired by the stones actually. This color, especially Tanzanite, is one color that I really personally like actually. Yeah.
And no accessories for baby, so you thought a smile is the best accessory?
Of course, the smile is the best accessory, as you said that, for sure. And then these beautiful ostrich feathers, which have been sourced from South Africa, they are actually adding up to the beauty.
Brilliant.
The beauty is in simplicity.
Yeah. The beauty is in the
Beauty is always in the simplicity.
Yeah.
I can see it on the face. Thank you so much.
Some of you may not be knowing this thing. I have dressed up international stars also, like Eva Longoria, Toni Braxton, Avril Lavigne, Rachel Weisz, MS Stone, a lot of these Hollywood stars. And in India also, all of them, Deepika to Katrina to Kareena, Daisy, everyone actually here. So I'm actually for the first time showing at Lakme Fashion Week. लेकिन मैं इंडिया फैशन वीक कर चुका हूँ, पेरिस में, मिलान में, हर जगह शोज कर चुका हूँ.
Thank you. First of all, congratulations to everyone.
Thank you.
All are looking good.
Thank you.
So, Deepti, how was the experience of your camp?
The experience was quite exciting. I would say I had butterflies in my stomach while walking the ramp, but they say that a little nervousness is always necessary in order to make things better. So and then when I was on the ramp, I just wanted to flaunt the beautiful outfit that I was wearing, and I wasn't thinking of anything else.
And she's so comfortable wearing it actually. She's, as if she owns it, She owns this look actually. And the best thing is, this Tanzanite color looks perfect on her skin tone, I mean, I think she's looking fabulous in this outfit.
I just learned about a new color today. I never knew about this color.
All of us, actually. Why Deepti?
I think, look at her, she's so gorgeous.
Yeah, she's fabulous.
Why not?
So she has to be.
Yeah. And she recently wore one of my silver-colored gown, and she looks so fabulous. I thought that she should be there for my ramp as well. So that's why I
I wore
connected.
Amit's gown for the very first time for Big Star Entertainment Awards. And the minute my stylist got that gown, I was like, whoa, I want to wear this. And that's how the entire connection happened. And I don't know, maybe because I just wore Amit's creation and it's recent. So he might just have me in his mind. It's just there.
Actually. Yeah.
Do you see Valentine Day is coming? What are your plans?
I'll be working for sure, or else I'll be sleeping at home and playing with my dog.
Oh, don't do that.
Yeah, I'm very much single and I'm very happy being single.
Who was your first crush?
Huh?
Your first crush?
I don't really know that. Maybe Mowgli. Yeah. That's first crush, right? Yeah.
Anyways, thank you so very much.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Debut. Congratulations. With of course Meera and Muzaffar, and we've had the pleasure of having dear Aditi walk the ramp. And so it can be in behalf, but it's only to ease things out and to tell you that Muzaffar has been a very close friend for a very long time, and of course also Meera. I've seen the wonderful work Muzaffar has done with craft. We've had the pleasure almost 30 years ago for making a film called Anjuman, which dealt with the plight of the chicken workers. So Muzaffar in his work has shown both his concern, his sensitivity and his empathy to the craftspeople. I always say that in India, if you're looking at silhouettes, is something that the West can probably do better than us. But what they can't do, definitely, is handwork. And that's what we need to take to them. I think it's a matter of great pride that Sama takes this tradition forward and tweaks it like the young do. I'll first give it to Sama and then everybody else.
Couldn't have had a better...
You don't have to do your work, I did it.
You can end it.
Hi everyone, thank you for being here. And I'd like to thank my parents for, just for being born in their home and hence having this opportunity at this stage in life. And I hope you all enjoy watching the show. Something that's been really important to me growing up, it's been quite ingrained in my upbringing, is the concern for handcraft. Not just from a from the perspective of like just beautiful art, realizing lives, where nobody really wears traditional clothes the way they used to anymore. So how do we take our heritage in embroideries and handwork and put it into a context that we can continue to enjoy going into the future and share.
Anybody want to ask anything specific? I think everything has been said. I think let's ask Aditi why she agreed to be with us today and wear this and look so beautiful in it.
That one is not gonna reach.
I've actually always wanted to be associated with Gurdwara. I know Shabana Mantri has been associated with the family, has worked with them. It's also been my dream to be in some way associated with them because they believe so much in the revival of handicrafts, in like Sama said, in making it a part of our everyday. And I think for handicrafts, to not be locked up in a cupboard and for it to be a part of our everyday is very important. For us to wear it with pride, for us to realize how much it enriches our lives. I think that is what makes a difference. And if we can do that, then nobody will ever tell us that it's a dying art or it's we need patrons for it. We ourselves have it within us to do that by making it a part of our everyday life. And I think Gurdwara is so much about heritage and legacy, and for me to have been a part of to have been a part of this show is special because Sama was so deeply involved, and this is her first show. So it was very special for me, and this collaboration meant a lot to me. So I'm very, very happy to be here. And I wish that I could dress like this every day.
I think handicraft is a way of life, and you have to be obsessed with handicraft and anything that is made by your hands. And you need a very deep respect for it. It's almost a spiritual feeling, Handicraft is one of the most spiritual ways of touching people. So it's very, you see what happened in Kashmir. One Sufi brought 1,200 craftsmen, and it has changed the face of the valley. So it's got so much barakat in it that we can't imagine what it can do for the country, what it can do for people. And this is what I felt through all my art, how to touch people and how to make a difference. And through my films I've been led to craft. film, you're showing the truth, you're showing a slice of reality. And handicraft is all about taking small steps. It's not creating a big revolution. It's about taking gentle steps, making people sensitive to their legacy, what comes out of your mother's cupboard or your trunks. To be sensitive to that is very important. And to live with small little details of craft is a big joy, you know. You start living with small little elements of craft, you feel rich every day. When I'm wearing this, nobody knows what's inside my pocket, but I know it's a piece of craft. It's just to feel it, and it's just a reminder for me that human effort is so valuable, so tender, and the craftsman doesn't see beyond his needle. It's you who has to design his life, design what he does. And there's such a nice, beautiful upsurge in this field that it needs to be celebrated.
नहीं, मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता है। इनफैक्ट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आज का दौर ऐसा है कि जहाँ हमारे जो ट्रेडिशनल कपड़े हैं, चाहे वो शेरवानी हो, चाहे वो धोती कुर्ता हो, चाहे वो अगर आप साउथ में जाएं तो आप देखते हैं कि वो किस तरह से लुंगी और शर्ट पहनते हैं, वो उसको और ज़्यादा लेकर आ रहे हैं। उसको और ज़्यादा लेकर आ रहे हैं, और मुझे ये लगता है कि ये एक बहुत हेल्दी निशान है, क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान जैसे जैसे अपनी पहचान पूरी तरह से समझता है, उतने कॉन्फिडेंस से वो उन चीज़ों को सामने पेश करना चाहता है जो उसकी हिंदुस्तानी। तो मैं नहीं मानती हूँ आपके साथ कि ये जो हमारे ट्रेडिशनल कपड़े हैं वो गायब होते जा रहे हैं। मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि दे आर कमिंग अक्रॉस इन अ मच मोर फ्रंट फुटेड वे, व्हिच इज़ वेरी गुड। You know, I just think that I was very impressed at this entire Lakme Fashion Week. The fact that we are talking about eco-friendly, sustainable, healing garments, I think is wonderful, because these are concerns that each of us who considers ourselves artists should be concerned about. What is even more interesting that I noticed this time is that there has been a conscious effort to have androgynous dressing. And that is being done with this notion of patriarchal structures of what is man or what is woman needs to be broken, and it can be reflected also in clothes. So I definitely think that there is a younger mindset operating here, and to do it through fashion, I think is highly commendable.
इजाज़त है जी, शुक्रिया। So many congratulations for a show.
Thank you very much.
Everyone was mesmerized. Who has inspired you to come in this, to begin this your endeavor and journey?
Actually, just my dream is to do a period film, isn't it?
Yeah, the costumes.
Aditi, I just come back to you. I know you must be feeling restless in this.
No, I'm not restless. I've got bukhar. That's all.
Hungry?
Bukhar. Hungry तो I am always.
Doctor, Shabana ji, we were expecting you also to be on the ramp.
She's here.
You know what is important? That I am with Meera and with Sama and with Muzaffar. Whether I walk the ramp, whether I'm holding this press conference, I'm there, and that is the important thing.
आप मेजबान के साथ भी जुड़े हुए, ये एक अच्छा प्रयास है कि मतलब हमारे
देखिए, ये आप समझिए कि मुझे पता था कि ये सवाल जरूर होगा कि भाई आप तो मिजबा के लिए हैं, तो आप कोटवारा को क्यों प्रमोट कर रही हैं। आप ये देखिए कि बेसिकली जो काम हम लोग कर रहे हैं, जो हमारी समझ है, जो हमारी वर्ल्ड व्यू है, वो सेम है। मुजफ्फर की जर्नी कोटवारा के साथ, मेरी जर्नी मिजबा के साथ, इसका जो बीच है, वो जो फिल्म अंजुमन हमने आज से 30 साल पहले बनाई थी, जिसके अंदर हमको पहली बार समझ में आया था कि जो लोग ये इतना खूबसूरत काम करते हैं, उनके साथ जो होता है, उनकी जो सिचुएशंस हैं, वो कितनी तकलीफें हैं और उनको कितना बढ़ावा मिलना चाहिए, वहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक की ये जर्नी है। एंड वी आर पार्टनर्स, वी आर ट्रैवलर्स, को-ट्रैवलर्स।
अदिति, बुखार कैसा रहा? मतलब
कितना बुखार है पूछ रहे
जी, सॉरी,
हिम्मत से चलिए,
हिम्मत से चलिए।
हारेगा वो हर बाजी जब खेले हम जी जान से।
अच्छा, you know, after they have spoken, I feel very silly saying anything क्योंकि उन्होंने इतना beautifully सब कुछ कहा है. अब मैं रैंप पे चलने के बारे में आपको क्या बोलूँ? मैं मुझे मजा आता है. और you know, when you're wearing clothes, when you're wearing something that you're very proud to wear, you know, it's something that you know means a lot, much more than just a garment, much more than just something of beauty. It carries a lot more with it than just that. It's very special. And I know that the people behind it, their intention is so much greater than just to make a beautiful garment, that it means a lot to be a part of it.
I did like you were feeling like a princess or bride.
नहीं, ये मैं आपके ऊपर मत छोड़ूंगी, नहीं तो ये non-stop quote हो जाएगा.
अच्छा, ये लोग वो आपकी पद्मावती से मिलता है?
मैं कैसे आपको ये सब बता सकती हूँ? मुझे मार पिटेगी. ये कोटवारा का लुक है. ये it's very special to कोटवारा, and I'm very happy to wear it. And trust me, my bukhar, खांसी, जुकाम has not mattered to me at all. It's on hold, just till I finish what I'm here to do today because it's so special. So भगा दिया मैंने बुखार.
Okay, hi. I have a question. You opened the show with a very beautiful dance sequence. I don't know, you know, who was the artist and what inspired you to open that sequence?
The dancer was
Vidhi, the medal man. Yeah.
Yeah, all of you here.